Hello and welcome. Today I would like to show you not the game Keep Talking and Do Not Explode, but a side project I've been working on for my computer programming classes, which is a solver for a few of the puzzles, using Visual Basics as a engine, I would say, to as a coding platform to get this little project started. So I'll show you the window here for the solver. So right now I have a simple wire solver, a simple wire sequences, able to go through each of the wire sequences. You just click, and then you have to reset the section. But this will tell you, keep track of which ones you have to press next. Well, the ones you have to press. So you see the wire, you click this one. If it's red, okay, I cut C. It's simple, it's just the same as all those. The constants, so if there's an odd number in the serial number, a vowel in the serial number, two batteries, or a parallel port, or if the last number is even. We also can do complex wires, as well as subject of memory. The way simple wires work is you will type in a R if the wire is red, Y if it is yellow, B if it is blue, BL if it is black, and W if it is white, in the corresponding order of which they appear. So if you have 5 wires, and let's say it is red, 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 yellow, yellow, then you would click what wire, and it'll tell you to cut the second wire. Clicking restart resets all the text fields and clears the board. Same thing with the reset wires for wire sequence, complex wires, and reset of subject of memory. The way complex wires works is you will look at the wires. Well, first what you want to look at is which one of these are applied. The parallel port is on, you click that one. 2 or more batteries, there's a vowel in the serial number, number's odd, and you would just click those based on which ones you needed. Moving on back over to here, what you would do is you look at the wire. If there's a light, click on light. Then you select a red wire, a blue wire, a red-blue wire, or a white wire, or star, based on which wire type. Click solve. The solution will pop up here. So if the wire was red, none of these are applied, I hit solve, well, nothing will happen, to be honest. So let's just, last number is even, so let's solve. It will say cut. So then you cut the wire, you reset, and do over. For subject of memory, we first select the display number. So if the display is 3, we click remember/solve. It tells us we have to click the 3rd position. Let's say the number was 2. So we click that, we hit remember/solve again, and then we're done. Then after that, we will see what the next display number is. Let's say the display number is 2. Click on 2, hit remember. It tells us what button we're supposed to push, 3rd position. Let's say the 3rd position was 3. Click solve, it'll remember that number. And so on and so forth until the thing is solved. Click reset, we'll reset it. Popping up a message box, which you guys probably can't see. Just hit OK on that, and that's good to go. I'll still working on some bugs, so those will be fixed later. But I have done some tests with this, and everything does work, and everything does solve. Most of my errors I've been having are personal errors where I forgot to either, if the number last digit was 0, to place it in even or not. So let us get into the actual game and show you this in action. So what I am going to do here is I'll be switching back and forth between the game and the application. So you'll see my mouse moving a bit, or a pause for a minute when I'm solving some of the puzzles. So let's get into this. So just demonstrate the wires in this, we are going to go into the bombs and go into wires, wires everywhere, and solve this puzzle. So let us get started. Shoot, my brother's playing again. So we're going to start off with the first simple wires. The first wire is white, blue, white, white, blue. What wire? Second wire. Just come over here, click it. Good. We'll do the second one. We'll reset it and go red, red, black, yellow, white, white. And go what wire? Fourth wire. Click it. Boom. Good to go. We'll go into wire sequences. First wire is blue. Hit blue. So we want to do B. No B. Click the next one. Next one. Black. Oh yeah, right here. First one was black. A, B, or C. So we click that one. Next wire is blue. Hit blue. A or C. Click A. Okay. Next wire. Wire is A or C. It's C. So click it. Boom. Simple as simple. Next wire is black. So B, no. First wire is red, no. Next. Next wire is black. A or C, nope. Blue, B, yes. Blue again. A, no. Next wire. That's done. Another one. Reset. First wire. I'll wait till the lights come on. Okay, it's red. C, yes. Next one. B, no. Next. All red, so A, first one, nope. Oops. A, C, nope. B, nope. Next one. First wire is black. This can always cut, so technically no point. Next wire is blue. Cut that one. Next one, A or C, cut. Next one. A or C, don't cut. B, don't cut. That one's done. Going on to complex wires now. So we want how many batteries? 2 batteries. Parallel port. Serial number is even. So let's get to that. So parallel port, was it 2 batteries? Yeah, 2 batteries. Even and parallel port. So that's it. Okay, so let's get into this. Let's do this one first. So the first one is white, so we can just instantly cut that one. So red, blue, and nothing. Let's hit it. It's cut. So if you cut it, perfect. Reset the solution. It's a red star. Solve. It says cut. Okay. Red star again, so we cut that one. Reset. Light. Red, solve. So that's cut. And process of elimination, cut that one. Where's the last one? Here it is. Reset. So going off to this one again, we can also cut this one, and this one. Let's go with the ones we can't cut right now, so we don't know. So it's just red. We can cut that one. And process of elimination, cut that one. Done. I have solved bomb using just my solver. Well, this bomb. Okay. Okay, so what's popping up in my thing? No. Okay. So I'll be right back, and we'll set up the next bomb for you guys. That will show subject of memory. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use the free play mode and set a timer to 10 and modules to 11. Just get just a random bomb. I'm not gonna solve it. I'm just gonna show the subject of memory panel on the bomb. So let's see if we get it. Boom. I'm not using a manual. Let's see if it has subject of memory. No, this bomb doesn't have that, so we'll just return the office. Try to get another one. Does this one have it? Yes, it does, right here. Okay, so, oops, wrong thing. So, the number, okay, so, the first number is 3, so we hit 3 and we hit that. So it says third position, so come back into the 3, which is a 2. So we hit 2 and do that. Okay, the new number is 3 again. We keep that checked right there and hit remember again. So label of the last one, well, the label of the last number was 2. This one we will hit the first position, which is also a 2. So we'll just hit remember and then hit 2. So the next label is another 2. We go here 2. Remember, the position is the number 2, so we'll just leave that again and hit remember solve. Again to remember all that, so boom. Okay. The next number is also number 2, so we hit that again. Hit the number in the first position, which is a 3. Okay. We can just hit solve that. So boom. And then the last one is the number 3, so we do that. Click it. The position is the number 3, so we just hit number 3, and then this one is solved. So, and I do not have any of these other panels on my device, on my application, so we'll just leave the bomb now. Well, I can't show the complex and simple wires again, I guess, but I don't see a point. So I'll just return the office. So yeah, that is my solver, and yeah, it works pretty good. It could use some more work. Maybe make it look better. Add a reset button for these, so I don't have to do that for every bomb. Or make a big reset button up here. I don't know. It's not the prettiest thing, but it works. So that is my keep talking and do not explode solver for simple wires, wire sequences, complex wires, and subject and memory. These were the 4 I thought of for right now that could be the most annoying to solve. And mainly subject and memory and complex wires are the 2 big ones that are annoying to solve. And these help out solving them. So I will not be posting a download for this. I do not think it's really necessary, as in this is just a side project of mine to help me learn coding. And all this stuff is, after I've done all this coding, it's actually a lot easier to understand how to do these with pen and paper now than it was before I did all that. Mainly complex wires was the hardest one to figure out and get it working. To understand the how each one worked. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, comment, or subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. See ya. Adios. Goodbye.